Hi, thanks for joining me. You're probably thinking, please don't talk too long. We want to see what is in the box. Well, let's start with a little wine and the Tiffany white wine glasses. I realize this isn't white, but I love peach Moscato. Can't help myself. All right, so if you're here, you want to know what's going to be in the box and also about the giveaway. I'll try to get to it as quickly as possible, but also bear with me. I'm excited to have you. Let's go ahead and get to it. Have you ever wondered if Tiffany would just fall out of the sky? And just like that, here it is. So, what's in it? Are you curious? I'm gonna go ahead and show you the cute bow. I still, again, if you watch my last video, I have no idea how they tie these bows. It's magic. All right, so unboxing. Here we go, you guys. Here you go. I'm gonna undo the bow. It's all one, it's not two. Okay. Tiffany&Co. And by the way, fun fact, these boxes, if you look really close, little tiny T's on them. Most people would never know this, but very, very close little tiny T's. And these are very sought after items. Just the boxes, you would never think that. All right, so now we have the box open, of course. Little pouch. There's a little bit of, it's got a little pillow, a little bed it rides on. Here's the bag. Any guesses on what it is yet? Well, before I open it, I want to go ahead and throw at you what I wanted you guys to do to enter. So all I ask is that you subscribe and like the video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, which you can do below, and also in the comments, so I know that you're entered and I know that you've done the other two things, tell me what your dream Tiffany piece is. I want to show you what mine is. Here's an image of it. All right, so now that you've seen my dream Tiffany piece, which is the unicorn clip, it's a Schlumberger piece, and it is, it's a little bit much, maybe a little out of my price range even. Costs more than my house, and then some, but one of these days I might win the lottery. And when that happens, come to mama unicorn clip. All right, so let's get to it. I don't want to keep you guys waiting any longer. Okay, so I'm pulling it out of the pouch. So you're going to have this that's going to cover the charm. And of course there's a chain. Now, this is a very long chain. I go ahead and, this is the mixed bead chain. It is 28 to 30 inches long. It is adjustable. It actually has a really unique look. So you're gonna have the larger beads on one side and it falls in, you know, it's just kind of a dimensional thing. I really do like it. I thought this is different, so that's what I wanted to go with for this giveaway. Now, this is your charm. Let's see if I can get it to show up. Let's see. I'm going to add an image so you can see it exactly. Here it is. And so this is called the Etched Heart and Arrow Tag Charm. All right, so it's a pretty good size, I would say. Its sizing is I think a large, but I'm not certain of the specifics of it. I'm going to show you guys what this piece would look like on. I'm not even going to undo it. I'm just going to toss it over. And here it is. This is at the 28-inch, you know, setting. Of course, it's very low hanging. You could obviously take this charm off, put it on a different chain. But I do love, the reason why I went with this is because I love the, have you ever watched a movie where there's a tree and someone carves in it a heart? It makes me think of that. Also, growing up, my mom did a whole lot of like hearts and roses and arrows and things of that nature. And it kind of stuck with me. And I thought, you know what? This is the piece that I want to do as a giveaway. Again, it's a pretty good size. I'm so sorry that the image, like trying to show you on camera, is not showing up like I want it to. So again, to enter in the giveaway, you don't have to purchase anything. I'm going to go ahead and reiterate that. You just like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your dream Tiffany piece. It could be anything. It could be a piece you already have. It could be a piece that you probably would never buy because it's $30 million. Who knows? But I just want to know, what is your dream piece? And you'll be entered to win this awesome charm and chain. Retail on this is $185 for the charm. And this is sterling silver. And the chain retails for $160. So the total retail value for the piece is $345. I think that's a pretty good giveaway. I think it'd be worth winning. I wouldn't mind it if it was me. But I want to let you guys know that this is in no way sponsored by YouTube or any other social media that I posted on, but just for fun. I enjoy Tiffany. I want to do more unboxings, and I thought, you know, I need to build a few followers so that people will know that I'm doing unboxings. So why not do a giveaway? So this is what I'm doing. Let me know what you think. Have any, you know, input? Drop it in the comments. The giveaway, I'm going to announce the winner on February 13th at noon Central Standard Time. The winner's name will be in the description, as well as I will reach out to the winner. They will have 24 hours to reach out to me. If they do not reach out to me, I will have to pick another winner. I don't want to hold out on this. So please, if you are entering, make sure you come back on the 13th at noon. You'll have 24 hours to claim the prize. Again, I will mention you. I will tag you on your comment, but some people just don't check things. So be aware of that and be ready. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks for following. Let me know what you'd like to see unboxed. I'm curious what you guys want to see. No unicorn clips. This girl's not buying one of those. Not for a minute. Take care, you guys. Bye.